What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Fresh Roots Exotic Cars. I am Fresh Roots, and boys, it is time. We did it. We got the wrap done. It's in acid green by Nosotech. I'm not gonna keep it a secret for any longer. Here it is, guys. The AMG GTS in its new color, acid green by Nosotech. It looks absolutely menacing, guys. We got the gloss black on the wheels. We kept some chrome around the Mercedes logo. Carry it on over to the vents. We got those completely gloss blacked out. We got gloss black on the mirrors as well. All the accents kind of are gloss blacked also. We got the top of the handlebars, and I could not be more stoked. Also, another thing that we did is we put a little gloss black here on the front grille, which I absolutely love. We didn't want to completely black that out because we didn't want like a black hole effect to be happening. We wanted a little bit of color separation, guys, and I'm absolutely stoked. It looks amazing. So we're going to be doing a lot more content, a lot more car shows. We're going to be getting this car out there and enjoying it, guys. So stay tuned. We got a lot more planned for this car, and I could not be more stoked with it, guys. We'll take it all the way around the back, show you that accents of the carbon fiber with that acid green. Looks absolutely amazing. We're definitely going to fix the license plate. I think it stands out a little too much, so we'll see about doing maybe the black and yellow version on the license plate. But other than that, I'm absolutely stoked with how the car looks, guys. It is insane. It stands out, and that's exactly what we need to be doing if we're going to be doing the YouTube vlogging thing. And that is exactly what we are going to be doing, guys. So I cannot wait to take this to another show as soon as possible and just kind of enjoy it, guys. All right, boys, here it is. It is done. The lime green Skittle. This is the acid green from a Nosotech, looking absolutely insane. Loving the wheels. Huge shout out to Samson, PJ. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. You guys are probably already following this dude and this dude right here. He's got the wide body AMG. Is it almost done?
Yeah, should be done next week.
All right, we're gonna have to get these two together. So he's already wide bodied, and it's a 2020. He's got a 2020 wide body. We might, I almost want to go look at it right now, but we'll check it out once it's all put back together. It looks sick. You guys, there's a little sneak peek too of the color that you chose on Samson channel, but here it is, boys. Looks absolutely amazing. We went bright. We had to go bright. Loving the wheels. We changed the wheels. We got the powder coated gloss black on there. Got the chrome on the emblems right here. We got the door jambs done. Absolutely sick. All right, boys, we are in the AMG GTS with the new acid wrap. Say later to Samson and then later, guys. Get a little U-turn over here. He is in that chevron lighting at night. We're back home, just about to go grab a pizza. Just decided to stop and kind of see what she looks like under that gas station lighting. Absolutely love the side profile now, guys. Check out those black wheels. Super sick. I'm really glad I went with the gloss black instead of the satin black. These we got these all gloss black too, so super sick, guys. I'm back home. We got the stickers on there already. Got that Fresh Fruit sticker right there, guys. So we're gonna be bringing some content to you. Daily content is the plan. Got a lot of shows planned for you guys. Just got a pizza down the road I got to go pick up over at the local spot, but super stoked with how it came out, guys. Of course, you got the Fresh Roots on IG. Be sure to follow me, guys. That's my my IG handle right there. I'm eventually gonna get, maybe even tomorrow, I might get the Fresh Roots Exotics, my Fresh Roots Exotics logo on the back there, and maybe even a window banner of it too. But for now, the car looks sick, guys. The acid green with the carbon and gloss black is just the play for sure on this car, guys. So super stoked with it.
Sorry, I hope you
What
weren't
up?
taking the video.
Oh, no, dude, you're good. Now you got to subscribe, though, for sure. Fresh Roots Exotics, man, on
Instagram?
Fresh Roots on IG.
On IG?
Yeah.
No, that's yours right there, bro?
Yeah.
Clean.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, we just got the wrap done in the acid green, so just had to get that chevron lighting, you know?
That's so
Yeah,
cool,
it's dope, man. It's super sick, so I'm stoked. Yeah, I literally just got the wrap done today, so I'm stoked, man. Just got it back. Yeah, it looks dope, dude. All right, guys, we got a pizza to pick up.
Fresh Roots. Oh, I love the red black interior with the too. That's great.
Thanks, bro. So we just pulled up, guys, the Antonios. Got the car sitting good. Got a dude over there going crazy in his truck. Yeah, dude, it's pretty sick, man. All right, guys, we just picked up the pie from Antonio's over here, the local spot. Got the homie over here, dude. You're gonna be on the vlog, dude. You know, got some car fans out here, so trying to get out there, man. I got to start interacting a little more. Even just like literally right at the Chevron, there was a dude that popped up in the vlog. You know, he's like, "Hey, is it cool if I take some pics?" Like, it's like, yeah, dude. Like, that's what I want to try to do. This is. I like this car a little bit more for me right now in this stage of life, you know? It's a little bit more my style.
No, yeah, that's crazy. I love AMGs,
dude. They're so, like, this is such an underrated car. It's insane.
Yeah, that thing's clean.
It's absolutely super sick, guys. Just picked up the pie from Antonio's. It's a deep dish also, so I'm super stoked. But their car, guys, they wanted to come check out the whip. I don't blame them. You know, it looks absolutely insane now. The acid green is doing exactly what I thought it would do, guys. It is bringing in the attention. Look, this is the first time using this this light on the new GoPro, and it's madness. It's super bright. Makes the interior look super cool, I must say. So we are gonna head on back home. Let's turn this off. And so we're gonna head on back home and see what this deep dish is all about. It smells really good, and I will catch up with you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. We're gonna get this baby cleaned up. It needs a detail. It needs the windows need to be wiped down. I wiped down the interior a little bit. Needed to be a little wiped down. So we're gonna get it all cleaned up tomorrow morning, and I'll be back with you guys on the next vlog. And we're gonna check this thing out a little closer in the sun. Different lightings. This is the acid green by Inositech, guys. So super stoked with it. I must say I'm very pleased with the color, and the job was very well done. There's a couple little spots that I see that are not big deals, but we're gonna be doing a checkup over with Samson in a couple months. He's gonna get all that buttoned up for us. So super stoked, guys. And I'll go over with that all to you tomorrow, the things that I've kind of noticed and whatnot. But other than that, we're gonna head on home, get some dinner in us. It's already 9:30, so I'm pretty tired, and catch up with you guys tomorrow. Peace.